I love this series I'm doing. I'm basically teaching you the fundamentals of healthy eating and cooking. I believe what we have in our kitchens for our staple products that we use in our meals makes a huge difference on our health. So I want to break it down and basically open up my pantry and share with you my key ingredients and staples that I keep in my kitchen to help reduce the inflammation in my body by whipping up quick anti-inflammatory meals. And today we're going to talk about my favorite oil, which is avocado oil. Avocado oil is made from avocados. But I love this oil because, here's a fun little fact, oils are light and heat sensitive. So when you buy your oils, buy them in dark glass containers. Oils don't like a lot of light. So you don't want to store them in a clear glass container out on your stove for all the sunlight to hit it over time. It breaks down the chemical makeup of the oil and it just doesn't have the nutrients that it originally had. Avocado oil is also very heat safe. Oils are sensitive to heat. Some oils like heat, some oils do not. So I love to choose avocado oil for anything that I'm sautéing in a pan because it loves heat. Here's a little tip. Extra virgin olive oil does not love heat. Most people cook with it and it doesn't like heat. So you're getting rid of the nutrients as you heat it over long periods of time. So my rule of thumb, anytime you're cooking in a saute pan or in an oven for a long period of time, use avocado oil. It is also neutral in flavor, so it's very versatile. Here's a tip. If you have an old recipe or you find a recipe online that calls for vegetable oil, we don't want to use that. It causes inflammation. It's a refined oil. You can replace it with avocado oil in any recipe that you make. So just remember, use avocado oil with heat. Avocado oil is a very good, healthy fat. Our brains are made of fat. We need fat in our diet. So that's one of the reasons we have a rise in Alzheimer's and dementia is because we are starving our brains. We need healthy fats in our life, and avocado oil is a great way to do that. Be sure to like and follow me for more healthy eating and cooking tips and recipes.